Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
His Excellency, Professor Arthur Peter MUTHARIKA, I call him my Lord. From Genesis 12, verse 8, where Sarah called Abraham my Lord. So I call the President my Lord. Right Honorable Justice Dr. Jane Ansah, SC, retired, first Vice President of the Republic. Right Honorable Enoch Kanzingen Chihana, second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, and Madam Dadala Chihana. Right Honorable Samia Gafar Suleiman, Speaker of the National Assembly. Honorable Ministers present here, Mr. Vizenge Kumwenda, Chairman, NBS Bank. Mrs. Temwani Simaka, Chief Executive Officer for NBS Bank, and all NBS Bank staff members present here. Not forgetting our guests, Mr. Moti and your family. Your Excellency, my Lord, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good evening. To say that I'm excited will be an understatement. I think I need to search for the right word to describe that feeling that I'm having tonight. I see the belief in you on Beautify Malawi Trust Vision. I am humbled this evening. Your Excellency, my Lord, your unwavering support towards this vision is unmatched. It cannot be matched with anything. You have been my pillar throughout. You have been part of this journey. I say thank you, my Lord. Let me also take this opportunity to sincerely thank, in a special way, the One Nico Group through NBS Bank for being the main sponsor for this event tonight and beyond. You have done Beautify Malawi proud. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, since its inception in October, September, Beautify Malawi has stood firm on changing the status quo on the way we take care of our environment. Our vision has been to make Malawi cleaner and healthier. We also dwelt on care which goes beyond nature by supporting girl-child education and other vulnerable families. It wasn't easy. We never stopped, even when the odds spoke otherwise. We are here tonight. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, today is a memorable day for us, especially tonight, when we are unveiling our dream. We have unveiled our dream. The 5-year strategic plan, whose pillars dwell on health, sanitation, and hygiene. Our 2030 strategic plan is very, very ambitious. But we have belief and hope that it's possible. It can be done. Yes, we are dreaming, not just in color, but in reality, that Malawi shall embrace beauty holistically. We are dreaming of a nation that is free from preventable diseases and reduced maternal and neonatal mortality due to good health hygiene practices. It is a dream, yes, that Malawi shall have health institutions, schools, markets that are clean. It is not just a dream, but a possibility to have all our cities clean with proper refuse disposal policies. In fact, we are dreaming of the whole Malawi of being cleaner and healthier. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, our dream is continuing. A luta continua BIM. A luta continua. Our dream is continuing. Beautify Malawi in collaboration with the NBS Bank. We will embark on a water and sanitation wash campaign called Next Gen or Next Generation, if you so wish to call it, Next Generation, Next Gen. This program will be implemented in public primary schools across the country. With this campaign, we dream of a cleaner generation, cleaner schools, cleaner everything, and healthier people. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, is it not painful and shameful that up to now, as a country, we still have people die of cholera? Is it not shameful? Is it not sad that we are still experiencing high child mortality rate due to hygiene and sanitation illnesses? Is it not sad? Together, as a nation, we need to reverse this trend. The Beautify Malawi 5-year strategic plan is focusing on cleanliness and good hygiene. Let us prevent the spread of infections. Let us reduce illnesses and increase life expectancy. The implementation of BIM's 2026-2030 strategy will be achieved through partnership with the government, private sector, corporate partners, the city councils, and our cultural heritage groups. We are optimistic that together we will achieve this dream. Therefore, there is need to work together with urgency and speed in our collective effort to address issues of hygiene and sanitation. Let each one of us take that responsibility to live in a clean environment. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, in closing, let me once again thank One Nico Group through NBS Bank for their belief in Beautify Malawi. Thank you. Thank you once again that tonight you have also unveiled, you have also cemented the partnership with 5 billion Malawi Kwacha. We say thank you. Thank you also to our guests for your contribution to making Malawi cleaner and healthier. We also want to thank FDH Bank for their support towards the BIM vision. And to all of you who have contributed in cash or kind towards a healthier and cleaner Malawi, we say thank you. Our promise as Beautify Malawi is we won't let you down. We will remain committed to serving our nation. God bless you. May I now request my Lord, to come forward and greet the people. The President, my Lord, may I now request that you come.
Thank you. Thank you. Your Excellency, Professor GETRUDE MUTHARIKA, First Lady of the Republic of Malawi, and I must reciprocate also my lady, Right Honorable Rajeni Ansa, SC, First Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Right Honorable Enoch Kanzigen Chihana, Second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Right Honorable Samia Suleiman MP, Speaker of the National Assembly, all ministers present here, the Chief Secretary, Dr. Saidi, Justin Saidi, representatives of Nico Holdings, our guest, Mr. Znaid Amoti, all invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. First of all, let me say this, that I'm very, very pleased to come here to launch, as a guest owner, launch the strategic plan of Beautify Malawi. No organization can succeed without a plan. And I've seen this plan. It's a very successful plan, and I wish you well. Congratulations, our patron and the board of BIMU for working out this beautiful strategic plan. Allow me to say a few things. First of all, I think it's very, very important that BIM is committed to beautifying this country. When I travel all over the world, everyone talks about the beauty of Malawi, the beauty of the lake, our mountains, our people, and even the beauty of our food, especially the chambo. Wherever I go, people speak about Malawi. So let's make sure that we keep Malawi clean for the benefit of all of us. And if we're going to develop this country, the chairperson of NBS Bank has said that we need clean and healthy people for them to have a healthy workforce for us to develop this country. So what in fact BIM is doing is a major contribution to the development of this country to achieving 2063 goals. So let me congratulate you and also encourage you to go on this noble task. I think it's very, very important that our country should embrace the new attitude, cleaning this country, growing trees, preserving the environment, and all the things that are necessary for this country to develop. So let us work together, and I want to encourage all establishments, whether it's schools, markets, courthouses, what have you. But in every establishment, I want to make sure that we do have trash bins put in place. This is actually an order. It's an order to all authorities, wherever you are, both public and private, that at every public establishment, including private, there must be a trash bin there. No more throwing trash or matinyasi, no more throwing trash everywhere. Let's make sure that our country is clean. And also make sure that we don't vandalize the trash cans. I remember being in 2015, put these trash cans, bins in Blantyre, and they were all vandalized within a period of 2 weeks. Let's not do that. This time, if I find anybody who is vandalizing these bins, the law will take its course. So, Musandiambe, Musandipure, don't do that. So, that's important. Let's work together. And I'm so glad that the private sector now in this country is working hand in hand with us in various aspects of this country development, including, of course, getting involved in development programs and so forth. I want to commend and encourage the private sector to do so. And my government will do all we can to create a conducive atmosphere for the private sector to function properly. I promise we want to do that. Let me also invite non-government organizations that let's work together, have good governance, and make sure that in the areas where you work well with the people. I think that some NGOs in some locations probably have been less than good in treating the local people. Make sure that you work with the local people so that the local people support you, and make sure you work with the government. That also includes civil society organizations. I want to invite you also to work together with the government and NGOs for us to develop this country. As my brother used to say, tiende pamoja intima umoja. In this thing together, this country belongs to all of us. All of us. Now in Malawi, we have an inclusive government. We have a government that does not belong to one region, one tribe, or one religion. We have a government that belongs to all Malawians. All Malawians from Chilipa to Sanje voted for me, unanimously. So for me, I owe this to every Malawian, not any particular segment or religion or region. So I work for advancement of all Malawians, and I'll do my best to make sure that in the next 5 years, this country will begin to move towards Singapore. I know some people ridicule me when I talk about Singapore. What I'm talking about is discipline and a sense of belonging. That's what happened in Singapore. That's why they ended where they are now. In 1965, when Singapore was thrown out of the Malawi Federation, I remember, that was in September 1965. I think I was a student then at Princeton University in the United States. I could see Lee Kuan Yew actually crying. It was actually crying. He didn't know what to do. They had nothing there. But he decided, emphasis on education, hard work, and so forth. And today, Singapore is one of the most developed countries. So we need to emulate that. In my young days, I was introduced to Jomo Kenyatta in Nairobi in my student days. I think I was 22 years old then. And man, I was so scared. He was such larger than life. Jomo Kenyatta, he had just been released from Kapenguria and was now as the leader of government business in the Kenya government before independence. That was 1962. So I was introduced to my common friend. So I went there and he said, young man, why do you want to see me? I didn't know what to say. Well, I was so scared and frightened by this man who's a legend in Africa. So I said, no, sir, I just want to know what's the secret of your success. He said in that voice, young man, there are only two things. I said, what are they? He said, patience and hard work. Patience and hard work. So I well believe in patience and hard work. At the university, I worked more than anybody else. If you enter the university at 3 in the morning, you see one light in the office. That was in Kukutamoyo. That was 8 p.m. Still working at 3 So patience is very good, and hard work is very important. So I want Beam and everyone else from today to work very, very hard for the benefit of this country. With those few words, it is now my noble duty to declare the 2026-2030 strategy, BEAM strategy, official launch. God bless BEAM, and may God bless our beautiful Malawi. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, you may sit down for now. Why official?
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.